He crossed over. He crossed over. He crossed over. He down low.
I got a whole bunch of people.
Calm down. He crossed over.
How much everybody wanted to He's not crossing the fucking.
Yeah, he crossed over. He crossed over. Yeah, he did. Watch this. Watch this. He crossed over. He crossed over.
No, he not crossed.
He went in up lane.
Yeah, he crossed over.
Yeah, he
Give
did.
a second.
Watch this. Watch this.
He crossed.
Watch this. No, he crossed over. He crossed over. Yeah, he did. He crossed over. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
They say he
crossed over.
They say he didn't cross.
He crossed over.
The man say he didn't cross.
He crossed over, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he did. On my mama. That man crossed over. Yeah, he did.
I can't make it bigger, man, so hold on.
He crossed over. That's on my mama.
Shit,
He
my
crossed
mommy.
over.
My mommy did it.
He did cross.
Shit.
Hey, that man just said he crossed.
What the other man say he
That
did?
man crossed over,
He
Tiger.
did.
Tiger on my mama. That man crossed over. This man crossed over, man. He crossed over. He crossed over, watch. Look. I'm looking. Watch he crossed over. Look. He crossed over. He crossed the line. He crossed. Yeah, he did. He crossed over. He crossed over, man.
Man say he didn't cross.
He crossed over.
Oh, he didn't.
Hey, let's go look at the.
Oh, he didn't.
Hey, how much money you bet I'll pay it out for you?
He owe me 200. He owe me 200. Yeah, he didn't cross over. He didn't cross over. 300. Shit, look at the line. Show me the gun.
Yeah, I'm talking about down here.
Okay, show me.
Show you crossed over, man.
Show me.
He crossed over on my mom. He crossed over. Hey, that's him. Right here. What? Right here. He crossed over right here. He crossed over, man. Look. He came back. Here it is right here. He crossed over. Okay, here it is. Look at right here. That bunch of shit crossed over. Hey, he crossed over.
You can go on.
He didn't cross. He crossed over. He crossed. He crossed over. He crossed over, dude. He crossed over. Hey, he went on that lane, dude. He crossed over. He lost. Hey, he was in the other lane. That's why I was 10. He lost. He crossed over. Shit, I knew what he did. That man went in the other lane.
He did.
He was in between the lines.
Yeah.
He was in between the lines. Like he caught his tires.
Yeah.
In between the lines. He was in the other lane.
Damn. So he was out of control?
I'm glad they didn't go together.
Yeah. Let me go see.
That man, all in that lane. He's crossing over.
That's the same thing. How can you say where he crossed over? Look at all this shit, man. How can you say
that man sat there all day? That man crossed over.
Real, man. I knew it. I knew goddamn Tyrone gonna have some shit.
Yeah.
Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah.
That man sat there and said it with.
Yeah.
Man did it twice.
Yeah.
That man crossed over.
You seen him both times?
Yeah, that man crossed over twice.
The man just told me that we. Wait a minute. What did you tell me?
Y'all beat me, but y'all crossed.
Y'all crossed over.
We ain't gonna touch nobody. Talk to your driver.
He crossed over.
No, y'all beat me.
Twice.
Y'all beat me.
We crossed. How the fuck we gonna beat it?
Y'all
But y'all crossed over.
I don't care, bro. But y'all beat me. Joey, what did you cross over?
I don't know, but I feel like I'm trying to keep on doing it. I can't tell if I'm driving. I can't see way over there. But the whole car was going like that.
But I lost though, but I ain't tripping.
That's it.
That's small.
Did you video that?
I don't never bet again. I don't know bet no more. I knew gonna be some shit. I knew it.
All that bullshit. And we cross, you would have said, OG, y'all cross and y'all lose. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? When I went at Keys and say, OG, you win. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
That go Junior. That go Junior. That go Junior.
I'm not gonna give y'all a motherfucking dime. Kiss my ass. And the fight go with it. Cause if we lose, he would have said, OG, y'all lost. Now, everybody do racing. Wait a minute. Keys have been racing long enough. Keys to know if you cross, you lose, right?
Yeah.
What would he would have said?
You lost, you crossed.
All right, then. Keys to say, OG say, Keys to say, OG, y'all win. Now, if we cross, wait a minute, hold on. If we cross the line, Keys are gonna say, OG, y'all lose because y'all crossed the goddamn line. It's just simple as that. I'm not gonna play no bullshit out like that. Now they can play that old bullshit and roll. They can play that bullshit roll. You can play it. I ain't gonna give them a motherfucking line. I said that a minute. If Keys would have said, OG, y'all lost because y'all crossed the line, I'd have gave him the goddamn money. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's simple as that. That's racing that.
A lot of people say he didn't cross. Some people say he did.
And my trans brake was kicking.
Yeah,
So listen,
That's why all that bullshit.
Now look, y'all was gonna win the race regardless.
So why all this old
But
bullshit
see, man,
then?
you gotta be sportsman and tell the truth about what
Just
really
tell
wrong.
them.
But right, wrong, and
Hey,
wrong.
not off. Check this out. I'm just saying, hold on.
Look,
Let me say this.
listen, really y'all lose. I don't care if y'all don't pay me now. But y'all lose though, Larry.
So you telling me that you 100% sure you crossed?
Yeah, he did that twice.
Okay, then that's what the
He
fuck
crossed
I'm talking
over
about.
twice.
I was trying to hold it, but I didn't go over it because I
I
seen the
did
cone.
say I'm the first one saying
I saw the cone.
I
I saw that cone.
Me and him wasn't even on.
You say that on every race.
Hey, Tiger. Come on, Tiger. Look, Tiger.
Come on, man.
Tiger.
It's always a conspiracy,
I
man.
wasn't even over here with y'all.
We got just many people saying he didn't cross, though. That's what I'm saying.
That man
You got people on both sides.
You got motherfuckers saying they did.
Twice. That one time. You can't fucking see.
Tyrone, you got your money. Tyrone, you got your money. What are you talking about? That man got the right to say what he said. Tyrone, you got your money.
I want to get that shit straight. Ronnie can't see. Them motherfucking glass to check, man. Them motherfucking glass to check, man. It's for real. Boom! Got down here. Boom! Hit him in that motherfucking ass.
What about them glasses?
Ronnie needs some new motherfucking glasses. Hey, Ronnie. Say, tell me where you go get your eyes checked at. Look out.
American
Ronnie
Fit.
can't see.
Yeah.
Blind motherfucker. He can't see.
They fucked me up, man.
He can't see.
But they lose because they
Hey,
crossed that
they
line.
crossed the line.
Boom!
Boom!
Hit it right in their
Boom!
goddamn ass, man.